In the automotive repair business, service advisors are at the heart of building customers' trust. Your recommendations matter. That's why you need parts you can rely on, like Walker Products. Since 1946, Walker Products has proudly served the automotive industry. As a US-based, family-owned company, they deliver premium engine management and fuel system components that meet or exceed OEM standards. Walker's headquarters in Pacific, Missouri, and ISO-certified manufacturing facilities ensure that every part is crafted with precision. And because they're family-owned, they maintain a singular focus: your customer satisfaction. Walker Products' long-standing commitment to quality and innovation means that you can confidently recommend parts that will perform and last. Recommending Walker Products ensures optimal performance for your customers' vehicles and builds lasting trust that keeps them coming back. Walker Products, trusted for generations, driven by quality, committed to customer satisfaction. Visit us at walkerproducts.com to learn more.